Makoi, this is Steve once more coming to you in order to teach Kiluba. It's very important for us to know Kiluba, how to speak Kiluba fluently. So today I have the first. I have one of the topic we started. We started few months. I can say few months or few weeks ago. It's about greetings. Greetings. I love to show what I prepared. Greetings. So we have over here we have BUFUKU, Luimu, and so on. So that's one of the topic we're going to talk about, and I think the most important here is this is about the night. Maybe the best things to start with. We will start with the night. This is night time, and this is BUFUKU, which is night. When we greet people at night, most of the time at night, we say good night. And in Kiluba, we will say lalapo. That's what is written there, lalapo. And in English, it's going to be good night. Lalapo, good night. And then, so here I present a conversation. So there is the person A will say lalapo, and which is good night. The person B will say eyo vidie, eyo vidie, or if the person is a woman, we'll be struggling, keep emphasizing that. If you're a woman, you will say eyo moi. So if they say lalapo, lalapo to you means lalapo, which means your answer will be eyo moi. If you're a woman, if you're a man, you say eyo vidie. So female eyo moi, male eyo vidie, which is in English we say good night, and you respond good night. And in this conversation we say lalapo, say good night. Response eyo vidie ketui mone kensha, which means see you tomorrow. So good night. Response good night, see you tomorrow. And then A could say, a person would say eyo vidie, which is responding to your ketui mone tomorrow. Say eyo vidie, which means yes, we'll see you tomorrow. So, but in English, we will say, see you tomorrow. You say thank you, or you say yes, I'll see you tomorrow, thank you. So this is kind of, and then you continue, you say, you respond, you're welcome. Let me start the conversation. It's really a little bit hard. There's no second person to talk to, interchanging words. And here the conversation, lalapo, then the person answer eyo vidie, which is eyo vidie ketui mone kensha. So lalapo, then you respond eyo vidie ketui mone kensha. Ketui mone kensha means see you tomorrow. Then the answer is eyo vidie wafwako, which means thank you. Yes, thank you. And wafwako means thank you. Then the B-bed will respond eyo vidie or eyo moi wafwako nobe, which is you are welcome. Okay, so the conversation will go good night, good night, see you tomorrow. Then they say thank you, thank you. Then the B person will say you are welcome. Good night, see you tomorrow. And then A will say thank you, and then thank you, and then B will say you are welcome. And for in Kiluba we say lalapo, and then the answer is eyo vidie or eyo moi ketui mone kensha. Then the response is eyo vidie wafuako. Then the bibed Hugo eyo vidie wafuako nove. You are welcome. I guess that's the first lesson here about Luimu. So, Mofaiko, thank you for following this video, and God bless you. We'll talk again.